Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an AI generated illustrations in Kittl in just few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, head over to Kittl website and log into your account. Then here in the dashboard, click a new project. Then on the left hand menu, select Kittl AI and then go to create section and then here in the prompt box, type in what you'd like the AI to draw. You need to be specific about your idea, be detailed, and be descriptive. And then, after done typing your prompt, you can pick a style. Then, after that, click Generate and wait for the Kittl AI to create a multiple creations or illustrations option. And here you can customize your favorite design, edit the colors, add text if needed, and download or save it directly to your projects. And that's it. That's how you create stunning AI generated illustrations in Kittl AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.